everyone. Today we will discuss sample board resolution. Now one can make a sample board resolution for many purposes. These can be a sample board resolution for transfer of shares or a sample board resolution to open a bank account. But before getting into all that details, I would like to first familiarize you with what a board resolution actually is. So, board resolution or corporate resolution acts as a legal record and provides a formal means for boards of directors to have a memorandum of their decisions in writing. Resolutions and certificates should be kept in the official records or meeting minutes by boards, and making board resolutions a frequent habit is a hallmark of an excellent governance. So, board resolution is a formal document that puts crucial decisions made by boards of directors in writing. They provide committees the authority to act on issues that the board has voted on. तो अब हम अपने अगले सब टॉपिक की तरफ बढ़ेंगे जिससे आपको पता चलेगा कि किसी भी बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशंस जैसे कोई सैम्पल बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशन फॉर ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ शेयर्स या कोई सैम्पल बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशन टू ओपन अ बैंक अकाउंट या कोई और सैम्पल्स को आप कैसे ड्राफ्ट कर सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि एक यूनानिमस अप्रूवल के लिए एक सैम्पल बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशन शुड बी प्रॉपरली एक्सप्रेस्ड और उस पर सारी पार्टीज या सारे बोर्ड मेंबर्स के सिग्नेचर्स होने चाहिए। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस कुछ ऐसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं जो हर सैम्पल बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशन टेम्पलेट में होने चाहिए। कुछ 8 पॉइंट्स हैं। तो फर्स्टली द नेम ऑफ योर कंपनी, second is the meeting date, time and location. Third, the resolution is unanimously approved according to a statement. मतलब जो sample board resolution है उसमें ये written होना चाहिए कि जो भी meeting के agendas है उनका एक unanimous approval हुआ है from every party or board member. Fourth is verification that the resolution was passed at a regularly scheduled board meeting. Fifth, the resolution itself, and sixth is the signatures of directors and printed names. Seventh is the signature and written name of secretary, and lastly eighth is all the signatures dates. तो इन 8 पॉइंट्स की मदद से आप कोई भी बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशन का सैम्पल रेडी कर सकते हैं। अब हम पढ़ेंगे कि एक बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशन को पास करने के लिए क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती हैं। सो द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स इज इन चार्ज ऑफ मेकिंग general corporate decisions and does not normally get involved in the day-to-day operations of the corporation. Board resolutions are passed down to the corporate ladder and implemented by the various businesses unit. तो इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि बोर्ड मीटिंग्स डे टू डे बेसिस पर कंडक्ट नहीं करी जाती हैं। हेंस एक बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशन को पास करने के लिए कुछ 2 स्पेशल क्राइटेरिया होते हैं दैट शुड बी मेट। फर्स्ट इज़ अ कोरम एंड सेकंड इज़ द चेयरपर्सन एंड कास्टिंग वोट्स। तो सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे कि कोरम क्या होता है। तो द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स required to hold a board meeting is determined by the company's constitution. And so a quorum is the number of people that must be present for a meeting to take place. Now, if a company's quorum is set at 2, it means that even if there are 5 directors total, then उनमें से at least 2 directors should be present जो board resolution pass करेंगे, if not all. So quorum requirements differ from one organization to the next and they are largely determined by the size of the company. तो हर company का quorum एक जैसा नहीं होगा for obvious reasons. Now we'll move on to the second criteria, which is the chairperson and casting vote. Now to guarantee that a board meeting runs smoothly, the board designates one of them as the board meeting's chairperson. In the event that there are equal votes for and against a motion, this person is also given the ability to cast a casting vote, which is the deciding vote. तो जो chairperson होता है, which is decided by the board members only, he has the final vote अगर कभी भी voting odd numbers में होती है तो. एंड ऑल्सो जो भी फाइनल ड्राफ्ट होगा बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशन का, उसे चेयरपर्सन को सर्टिफाई करना पड़ेगा. तो हर कंपनी में अलग अलग बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशंस पास होते हैं, और हर कंपनी के हर मीटिंग का बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशन उसकी डिमांड्स या उसके एजेंडास के हिसाब से अलग होता है. तो अब हम पढ़ेंगे कुछ अलग अलग बोर्ड रेजोल्यूशंस के बारे में. तो सबसे पहले we will get to know about the sample board resolutions to open a bank account. Now it is important to note that companies are distinguished by the fact that they function as a separate legal entity in the perspective of the law. इसका ये मतलब है कि जो भी बिजनेस या कोई भी वेंचर अपने कंपनी नेम से प्रॉपर्टी ओन कर सकता है, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट the firm's bank account is often opened in the name of the company. However, at least one authorized signatory must be appointed in order for this bank account to continue to function normally. This is because any bank related activities involving the company account in the future will require the signature of that person who is appointed as the authorized signatory. इसके अंदर the sample board resolution to open a bank account can be made by following the before mentioned 8 points, जिसके अंदर authorized signatory भी present होना चाहिए. अब हम कुछ ordinary board resolutions के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और जानेंगे कि वो कहाँ कहाँ यूज हो सकते हैं. So ordinary resolutions are those that are passed by a sample majority of the board members, and the number of votes cast in favor is higher than the number of votes cast against. So a resolution is considered passed if it receives a majority of slightly over 50% of the quorum. For example, अगर 6 votes मिलते हैं resolution को pass करने के लिए और सिर्फ 4 votes मिलते हैं for against the resolution, then under ordinary resolution by majority it will be passed. Now, ordinary resolutions can be made on the uh, above mentioned topics, which are election of directors and appointment of auditors, declaration of dividends, and choosing a remuneration system or changes to the permitted capital. इसके अलावा special resolutions भी board meetings में pass करे जाते हैं. For instance, in case you have a sample board resolution for transfer of shares, then you might need a special resolution. Now, board resolutions that require a larger majority fall into a unique category. Before convening board meetings with a special resolution agenda, prior initiation should be given. The majority percentage is predetermined by the business constitution, which is often set at 75% or greater. तो इसके अंदर important होता है board members को पहले ही direct करना if the company needs to have a special resolution or not. Furthermore, special resolutions can be made on the topics like modifications to the memorandums object clause, changes to the articles incorporation, and as I said earlier, a sample board resolution for transfer of shares. Thank you.